Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back again with the Realme Watch 5 smartwatch. And for the second time, we are going to check again the heart rate monitoring, and we'll compare it with our fingertip pulse oximeter. So we'll have a simultaneous monitoring of our heart rate, and let's see if the result of the heart rate monitoring of the Realme Watch 5 is close to our fingertip pulse oximeter. So if you are interested to see the results for the simultaneous heart rate monitoring, watch this video. And again, if you find this video tutorial useful, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and have a demo of the heart rate monitoring. So the heart rate monitoring here, as you can see, will be able to detect it will be able to detect whether you are wearing the smartwatch or not. If you're not wearing the smartwatch, it will not continue to check your heart rate. As you can see here, wear the watch correctly. Okay, and again, so let's wear the smartwatch here, or at least let the sensor check or detect our skin here. Okay, then let's check our heart rate. After this, we'll have the simultaneous monitoring. Check, and it's now checking beats per minute. In just a few seconds, it will stop checking our heart rate. So 98 beats per minute, 95, 99. It's measuring 100 beats per minute, and we have here the 100 beats per minute. And as you can see here, we do have the heart rate range, the resting heart rate, and you have an option again to check your heart rate. Okay, there's also a graph or the 7-day heart rate monitoring in the support app. So let's have the checking, let's have a simultaneous monitoring of our heart rate with a fingertip pulse oximeter. Again, let's check, refresh. We have here 106, so very high so far, our heart rate, as we have several activities earlier, or just a few moments ago. So we have here 106, the same with our Realme Watch 5. So 96, 98, 97, and we have here 102. And our Realme Watch 5, as you can see, we have 92 again. 103, 100. Let's see in the Watch 5 what is the results. We have 96 here, we have 95, 96, the same, 97, 98, and 100. Yes, it's almost the same here, as you can see. Okay, they simultaneously have the same results here, 101 and 101. Okay, so that is a pretty good results here for our Realme Watch 5. Let's have another one, our third checking. 103, 98, 97, 101, 102, 101. We have 95 here, 97. We have 100. Okay, it stops to 98 and 99. Yes, the same, 98, and we have 99 here and 98. Okay, so we do have, as you can see, very good results for our Realme Watch 5 heart rate monitoring, and it's almost the same with our fingertip pulse oximeter. Just like our first video for the heart rate, it has almost the same results with our Realme Watch 5 Lite. Again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and support our channel. Subscribe. Bye.